I am actually gonna get a new suite. So this
what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep. While we doing nothing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise will be on.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Yamii D. I am actually gonna get a new suite, so this is what this video is gonna be about. We're gonna be touring suites and all that jazz. So I wanted to get a suite for a while now. If you guys didn't know, I was sharing a suite with this other tech, but I feel like going from having your own suite to now sharing a suite is kind of like, I miss my own space. I miss decorating. I miss having a private environment for me and my clients only. So we are touring suites today. We're about to go ahead and tour this suite. I'm just waiting for the owner to respond. So yeah, you guys, so it's been a couple of days. I actually never showed you guys the suite when I toured them. I ended up touring 3 suites that day, and I actually fell in love with one of them, so I never ended up showing you guys because it was like really quick, because I also had to go. Anyways, I had to go, so I wasn't able to show you guys the spot, but we are about to walk inside and get the keys to our new place, our new suite. I'm so excited. I've already been looking at like Pinterest ideas on how I want to decorate everything. I did I just finished work at my other suite, so I did measure out like the space. I wanted to compare it to this because they kind of look similar to me, but I want to go ahead and see how big or how small that the place I'm in right now, how big or small it is compared to my old suites. But yeah, we're about to go inside right now and check out the spots. She did deep clean, so we're about to see everything and make sure everything is good and stuff. Not moving in yet because I have a lot going on this week. It's my fiance's birthday. I'm going to New York. Valentine's Day is coming. It's too stressful for that, so I'm gonna probably move in or start moving in after Valentine's Day. So yeah, and then I can take my time decorating and stuff and making sure everything is perfect and not like rushing or anything. So I'm gonna do all that and focus on that when I get back from New York and when Valentine's Day is over, because it's a lot and I'm just a girl. So we are picking up paint right now. I like these 2 colors. This is Shadow and Classic Silver. Basically got these 2 colors from TikTok. I seen this girl do it. This is what her walls look like. Let me show you what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can really see. Hold on. This is what it looks like, and I really like how this looks. So I still need to go get brushes and tape, and then that's it. So we're gonna grab that real quick and we're gonna get out of here. I'm at Michael's right now. I'm getting letters. They have these letters that I also want to put on my wall, but they have this big one, and they also have this little wooden one, and I basically spelled out my name a little bit, and I think I want this because I also don't want it to be too big, but I also don't want it to be too small, but I think this is fine. Okay, so I'm in my suite right now. We're about to start painting. I just finished taping the wall. I did the outlets. I'm about to go ahead. My man is here, you guys. I know, sucks. But we're about to start painting. I'm about to mix my paint. I'm so excited. Ah, it looks so cute. Okay, let's get started. My man said he want to be done at 5:30, right? Guys, it's 5:19. We're not gonna be done. Maybe like 7 o'clock. I give it.
7 o'clock?
Yeah.
There's no way I'm finishing this at 7 o'clock.
Okay.
Are you kidding me?
hurry up and talk before my battery dies. But hey, you guys, I think this is gonna be the last day of this vlog because today's basically well, we moved in. Yesterday was basically moving day. We moved all my stuff into my suite. Literally took us 2 hours, and I thought I could do that by myself, but thank God my fiance helped me because I would have been struggling. Like, that would have been a joke. That would have been a joke. They were on our way now. We're on our way now. I have a test rabbit guy coming in later, or like probably like in a few minutes, to hang everything up in my suite, and then I'm just gonna set everything up. I do have a few more packages coming in later today, so maybe I'll show you guys like the aftermath of everything, because everything's not gonna be finished until tomorrow, because that's coming. The things I'm waiting for is gonna come in later on today, and I'm not going back to my suite after that. So I will show you guys an after, but yeah, let's head to work and see. And I'm gonna show you guys how we left the suite yesterday, because we just dumped everything in there and dipped. Like, it's a mess, but I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna head there now so we're not too late. So I'll see you guys once we get there.
JP, come back to me. Hear you, for you. 'Cause it's is your heart still mine? Off to college, yes, you went away. Straight from high school, you up and left me. We were close friends, also lovers. Did everything for one another. Now you're gone and I'm lost without you here now. But I know I gotta live and make it somehow. Come back to me, hear you, hear me calling for you. 'Cause it's I'm lost without you. Is your heart still mine? I'm passing time. Now I'm sitting here thinking about you and the days we used to share. It's driving me crazy. I don't know what to do. I'm just wondering if you still care. I don't wanna let you know that it's killing me. I know you gotta.
Welcome to my new suite.
Can you hear me calling for you? 'Cause won't take you, baby. Is your heart still what am I gonna do?
When you walk into my suite, this is basically the overview of everything. I'm gonna run by everything and tell you guys where I got everything from. A lot of everything I got is from Amazon. So we're gonna start off with this cow print rug I got from Amazon, and I'm gonna just make a whole like suite room redecoration collection so you guys can just purchase everything that you like. So I got this rug from Amazon. And then I have my Lash bed here that I also got from Amazon. And then I put a mattress topper on top of it to be comfortable for my clients to lay on, because having them lay on the bed, it's just uncomfortable. So I have a mattress topper on top for them to lay on. And then I have a blanket to just keep them warm if they need it. And then I also have my lash pillow as well as my lash chair. And then I have this light. This is my glam core light that I got years ago, and it's still working really nice. It has 3 settings, and you can also make it brighter, and you can change it to a warm tone or a cool tone, and you can also dim it if you want. So yeah, I really like this light. It's really nice for pictures. I feel like the ring light was very much it wasn't really nice on pictures. I feel like this glam core light is a better quality light if you want to take pictures. And then on top of my light, I have this mirror just to check how my work looks at the end. Okay, so moving on back to decorations. Like you guys already know, I got these wooden letters from Home Depot, and then the lights on top of them I got from Amazon as well. And you can also change the colors on these lights. You can make them a warmer color, you can brighten it up, you can dim it. So I really like this light. I feel like it adds a little more touch to the letters on the wall. And then over here to your right, I have this mirror. I added lights around the mirror just to add another like luxury touch to it. I think this was really cute, and this is a cute way, because I know everyone likes to take pictures or like likes a cute aesthetic. So I added this mirror on this wall. And then I just have two shelvings over here. I added my lash products. If you guys didn't know, I sell lash products, I sell lash tweezers and lash glues. These are my tweezers. I have Fan Me Out, which is a fan favorite, and then I have my isolation tweezer, and then I have my CEO tweezer, which is a fiber tip tweezer. And then up here for my clients, I have my lash shampoos that I sell for them, as well as a lash brush. And then to your left, I just have these three pictures. I added all different eye shapes just to give a variation of how the lashes would look on you, depending on how your eye shape is. I think this is really cute. You know, different eye shape, different demographic. So this was a nice touch to add to the room. And then the last thing that I added for my clients is just my snack section. You have to have a good little treat for them after they've been napping in your room for 2 hours. So I just got snacks for them. I got some chips, some chocolates, some candy, some Slim Jims, and then I also have cold beverages for them. I have ginger ale, Starbucks drinks, coffee, energy drinks, water, of course, and Capri Sun. And then I was gonna change this because I want it to be black, but I just got this diffuser and I'm not gonna change it. So I'm gonna keep this diffuser. I might just change this into a black touch. And this is my speaker. And then my fiance got me this candle from TJ Maxx for Valentine's Day. For my new suite as well. So this was a nice touch to add to my room. And then I just have this dresser, which is all my like lash products, my lash stuff and stuff, like my trays and a whole bunch of stuff. I actually do really need to organize this, so I'm gonna do that later. And then lastly is just my lash cards. It's everything in my lash suite. I really like it. I'm so excited about this new journey. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.